Hello and welcome to a brand new video. If you're choosing between T-Mobile and Verizon, you're likely asking the same questions many people are. Which one gives me the best balance of coverage, speed, and value? Let's start with coverage. Well, Verizon here has long been known for its extensive nationwide reach. And the website looks really weird right now, but you know what? Why not? Especially in rural and remote areas. If reliable signal and off-the-grid locations is a top priority, Verizon still leads in many parts of the country. T-Mobile, however, on the other hand, has been rapidly expanding since merging with Sprint. Its 5G coverage is actually the widest in the US right now. That means faster speeds in more places, especially in urban and suburban areas. But in more rural zones, T-Mobile still doesn't match Verizon's consistency. When it comes to 5G performance, T-Mobile takes the edge thanks to their mid-band spectrum rollout. They offer fast average speeds in more locations. That's great if you're streaming, gaming, or working remotely. Verizon, on the other hand, blistering fast 5G in select areas using millimeter wave tech, but those zones are still limited for most users. The speed difference may not be huge, but it's still worth noting. As far as T-Mobile, it's typically more budget-friendly. So T-Mobile is typically the more budget-friendly option. As you can see here, it's like $50 at least cheaper a month. Their unlimited plans tend to cost less and include perks like international texting, in-flight Wi-Fi, and taxes and fees included in the price. That said, data prioritization can kick in during congestion if you're on a lower tier plan. Verizon plans are more expensive, but they come with premium features like higher data caps before throttling and access to high-speed data in more places. Their family plans can be cost-effective, but individual lines tend to add up. I'd say both carriers throw in extras. T-Mobile offers Netflix on select plans and free data in many countries. Verizon often bundles Disney Plus with some of its packages, Hulu and ESPN Plus, or Apple One, depending on the plan. Apple One is pretty cool. So if streaming perks matter, it might come to which content you care about more. Here's the bottom line. If you prioritize rural coverage, dependable signal, and premium features, Verizon is hard to beat if you're willing to pay a bit more. But if you're after a great value, wide access 5G, and strong performance in urban areas, T-Mobile offers a lot of bang for your buck. Ultimately, your experience depends on where you live, work, and travel. So before switching, check coverage and maps, maybe test with a prepaid line first. If you thought this video was useful, please give it a like, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.